morning! Good morning! January 3, may pasok na ngayon si Mika. So, maaga tayong nagising. We will prepare food, breakfast, and mamamalansya pa pala ako ng uniform niya. Okay, good morning!
Hi!
Good morning!
Good morning!
May pasok na ulit si ate.
Yay! And I'm just watching.
You eat before you watch. Hinahanap.
I love loud stuff. Ow.
You eat na.
Okay.
You bite your food while watching.
Keep changing what's food. On the foot.
Why do you want to go to school today? Because of this. He wants to wear it.
I like to wear it so much.
So you watch. Where did you get this from?
SM.
Hello Kitty.
I don't like Barbie. I want Hello Kitty. Boom. Yay.
You bite na. Okay lang?
Yeah.
Now you know how to tell the time. What time is it?
6:54. Ay, ano kasi? 9?
Again.
6:59.
Very good.
When the number change, I don't know here.
You have to wait until it changes.
Mommy, why something beep?
Because what time is it?
7:60 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Kain na kain. Bye, ate.
Bye.
Good luck sa school. Kiss mama.
Yeah.
Good luck sa school, ha?
Good luck here. You have nothing to do here.
I have a lot of things to do.
Oh yeah? Just sitting around.
Diba?
This looks I'm so a little bit tired.
Sleepy, no?
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Rynn.
It's Daddy.
Hinatid si ate. Say good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. Dede ka na.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Tapos na akong magluto. Caldereta. Nilagyan ko ng hotdog. Dami namin hotdog eh. And then, we will make fruit salad. Ayan. Yummy. I also have buko. Okay. Good morning.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year ulit. I'm fixing her toy that she got from Kinder Egg. How do you play this?
Spinning.
Spin it? Oh, spin it. How is it?
Look.
Can I see? Wow! That's so nice. Okay, now we are going to make fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad, okay.
Mommy, where's fun salad?
This is the fruit salad, and then we will mix the ingredients.
Mom, what's that?
It's fruit salad. Fruits! There's apple. There's apple. There's... Okay.
Mommy, where's fun salad?
Oh, here, you mix that one.
What don't?
Yes. You stand up. Here.
Okay.
Up ka! Remove your slippers. Remove your slippers. Yan, ganyan, yan. Like that. Oh, carefully, careful sa damit mo. You mix like that, oh. Mix it. Careful. I'm just cutting the cheese. We will put cheese.
Mommy, I see rice.
That's not rice.
It's not rice.
That's nata de coco and kaong.
Mommy,
That's kaong. And then,
how mix?
mix it.
Why?
Let's cut the cheese.
Mommy, it's not a toy.
That's not a toy. It's food. It's fruit salad. It's a dessert. That's yummy, Rynn. You want to try?
No.
Mix it. Okay, that's enough.
Mommy,
Ah,
why say it's like, it's not a toy yet?
okay.
Okay, Miss Mom.
Careful lang. Mix it properly.
Hey, Mom.
Careful. You hold the spoon properly. Baka matapon. Oh, you pour this one. Pour it. Put down your spoon. Careful. Oops. Hold it properly.
Oh, what happened to that? Mommy,
What's that? It's cream. All-purpose
Cream.
cream.
I was cream.
Cream.
Cream?
Yes.
Daddy, I'm making. I'm making.
Fruit salad.
Pizza.
Ah, dali. Press it para lumabas lahat. Yun. Let me see. No more na.
Mona.
No more na. And then, next, this one. Careful. Ooh.
Hey.
Oopsie. Not too much. It's too sweet. Wait.
It's gas.
Next,
Mom.
careful lang.
Mona.
Puno sa lalagyan natin. Careful anak, matatapon. Wait lang, borrow mommy first, okay?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Still New Year.
Now read it to my toy, okay? My mom.
Yes. What did you say?
Now read it to my toy, okay?
Okay.
Mommy, touch it.
It's cherry.
Sherry. Abbas. What are you doing that?
Oh, we're done.
Hey,
Oh,
done.
you eat it.
No.
It's milk.
No.
Okay, what's this? Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Guys, today I have homework and I'm doing my homework. Wow. Then I'm actually noticing numbers and I can tell what mommy says and finding the numbers what mommy says.
Okay.
It's so easy.
Alright. Now we are reviewing math for the quiz B. So again, what are the days of the week?
Sunday,
Mhm.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good. What day do you go to church?
Sunday.
Very good. What day do you go to the park?
Friday.
No.
Thursday.
No, ate.
Saturday.
What's the last day of the week?
Saturday.
Yes, Saturday is the last day of the week, so you can go to church or anywhere you go, or anywhere you want to go, okay?
I want to go to the park.
Okay. Now, what are the days that you go to school? You wear uniform and
Sunday.
go, what? 5 days that you go to school, what are
Friday.
those? What?
Friday.
Anong Friday? Yes, it's included, but what day does it start with when you go to school?
Monday, Wednesday.
Again?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay, very good. Now again, this is the calendar. For example, this is May calendar. Now, what day does May 10 fall?
Mason. Huh. Easy. There.
Oh, what day is that?
Tuesday.
Very good. How about May 31?
May 31. No.
Find May 31.
31.
So, what day is it?
Tuesday.
Very good. How about May 14?
May 14. Ayun na.
Drink water. May 14.
14.
Where is it?
I need to find it. Wait. Just wait and see. Wait. Ako gusto ko din. Gusto ko din tubig.
Ano na? Where is number 14? May 14.
Four.
What is 14? What
One.
number?
Here!
Okay, see? Oh, what day does it fall on?
Mommy, I want water.
What day does it fall on? May 14. It falls on what day?
Saturday.
Very good. How about May 18?
May 18. Here.
What day?
Wednesday.
Very good. You know what? That's the birthday of Tito Toby. Now find the birthday of Tito J. May 15.
May 15. Oh, Mom. May 15 here.
Oh, what
It's
day? does it-
Sunday.
Okay, very good. Now you're getting it. Okay, what else? So we will just continue to study. And we'll see you later.
Bye.
Hello, good evening. Tulog na yung mga bata. And ako before going to sleep, it's a habit of drinking milk and eating some snacks. How's your day, guys? Well, kami wala namang masyadong ganap. Nag-review lang si Mika for the preparation on their quiz B this month. So, a while ago, we reviewed math. So, yun, hindi na nakapag-good night yung mga bata sa inyo kasi maaga sila natulog. Tomorrow, there will be another class for Mika. So, maaga na naman magigising. Pero, we are thinking if makakapasok siya. Because, walang susundo sa kanya kasi may lakad yung mga biyenan ko. So, they are not sure what time they'll be back. And then, may extended class din si Mika ng afternoon for the review for the quiz B. So, yun, walang magsusundo and hindi ko lang sure kung paano mangyayari tomorrow. We'll see. We will update you. Okay, I'll just finish my milk now and then go to sleep kasi medyo masakit ang ulo ko. Hindi ako nakatulog ng hapon. Work and then edit ng video. Ayun, good night na tayo. So, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below if you have any comments, suggestions, any reactions whatsoever. So, thank you very much and have a good night. Mwah.